We're trying to figure out which of the following could be P over Q. So P is a product of the integers from 100 to 299. That's this line. And Q is a product of the integers from 200 through 299. That's this. And then we talk about the quotient P over Q. And so I've expanded that here. But what I did was I went 100 times 101, 199 times 200 times 201, up to 299. So you can see that this is the same thing as this. So that would cancel. Those would cancel. So P over Q equals 100 times 101 times up to 199. And we're trying to figure out which of those answers represents this. Well, we know it's not A or B. Look at C. I know it's not D either because it's got too many. Look at C. C is 1.2 ... times 100 ... 199. Hope I've written enough. And the denominator is 1 times 2 ... up to 99. So you can see how these would cancel. And you're left with 100 times 101 all the way up to 199, which is exactly what we have here. So your answer's C.